Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make pineapple fried rice. It's a Thai dish and a really delicious recipe. We're going to show you how to make this at home. Using a sharp knife, cut the pineapple in half right through the green top. Then, score the pineapple all around the edges to create a bowl shape. Make sure not to cut the outer part of the pineapple. Now carefully cut the flesh into cubes. Scoop out the flesh into a bowl for later use. Don't forget to keep the rind of the pineapple aside. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and add 2 beaten eggs and scramble them together. Take it out and keep it aside. In the same wok, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and now add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute them together. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped celery, 100 grams of peeled shrimp and stir them together on high heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion stems and then add half teaspoon of salt and saute it well. Add the cooked basmati rice along with the cubed pineapples. Now mix them together on high heat. Turn off the flame and then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1.5 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 45 ml of soya bean sauce, 1 teaspoon of white sugar and add salt to taste. Mix them all together. Now add the scrambled eggs and then also add 3 tablespoons of chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons of green capsicum, 2 tablespoons of red capsicum and 2 tablespoons of yellow capsicum. Mix them well and cook it on high flame for 2 minutes. Now sprinkle with spring onion leaves and serve it hot in the pineapple basket. For more info, check our description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.